Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason. This is a day trade in ticker CHK, and as you can see, I only have 1,000 shares, and I am currently up $169, and I will show you why I am. So basically, with how I have my scanner set up, and I teach this in my free stock trading course, you can ask, there's plenty of people who have already taken it and they're making money just like this. So even though this is just a small position, pretty much it's not going to say it's an easy trade, because there's really no trades that are easy, because you still have to pay attention as to what's going on. You still have to know how to trade. So I got in right here when it kicked off on my scanner, and I averaged $4.55, and as you can see how this one just kept stepping up the whole day. And up here, I did take a little bit of a loss, but I had so much of a cushion for profit that I decided just to hang on and see what it could do. Well, then it started taking another run, and it actually triggered on my scanner again. So I'm gonna probably watch it for the rest of the day to see what it does, and if it can get over 480, I will sell for sure. But I'm just gonna see how it pulls back and what it does. So this is just one of the trades I took today. Right now up 175 on this trade, and this is how I trade and make money. So if you're curious and you want to learn how to trade, I have a free 8-hour course. It is legitly helping people become better traders, and you can just watch it. It's on my YouTube. It's in my playlist section. There's 2 different styles. One's for EMAs, one's for Bollinger Bands. This right here, this is Bollinger Bands. So, besides that, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. I would love for you to continue to watch my content in the future. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. So, hey, again, thank you for watching. I appreciate you taking your time, and I'll see you in the next one.